Right now you're using a hammer.
Yeah. Nails to hold the pieces together.
Not too close to the end. Owen is using a nail gun. You don't have to do all kinds, but just 5 is enough. For one more at the beginning there, yeah. What do you like better, a hammer or a nail gun?
Definitely the nail gun. Final shot.
Okay, now show your owl house.
This is an owl house that I have created.
Show the front. Say, so what's this gonna be? What is it for?
It's for small owls.
Look at the camera. There's Noah working on the birdhouse.
I'm so bad at this.
The wood's not there now.
I know. I'm using a nail gun to nail into the birdhouse to add more support.
Straighten it out.
I don't think it's supposed to be like that.
Careful, remember that's a 2-inch brad, so you don't want to get at the wrong angle and get your finger or anything. one doing the bottom.
Same on the other side.
Put the gun down and you turn it.
It's out of nails.
It's not.
There we go. How was an owl supposed to fit in that? This is for woodworking merit badges. This is the birdhouse.
And this is an owl house or a big bird house, whatever.
So, ta-da!